Sobrang nakakapagod. Grabe. Nag-Universal Studios tayo ngayon. Second day natin sa Singapore.
Hi, tatay.
Si Transformer.
Ayan, nandito na kami sa Sentosa. A big ice cream and popsicles. Mamaya. Ha? Ay, school holiday ko niyan?
Sobrang init. Pero, sulit na sulit gawa ng ang daming rides, ang daming shows, ang daming mga pinupuntahan, tsaka mga must try.
Ano yung unang ride?
Spaghetti. Ang ganda ng spaghetti kasi parang nasa outer space ka.
Daddy!
And furry hero has saved the day!
Na ride namin. Naghiwa-hiwalay na kami kasi hindi na pwede si Elias sa mga extreme na ride. So kami ni Elijah, nag-Transformers na kami. 40 minutes waiting time. Grabe. Pero pagdating namin, sulit na sulit.
Come here, let's be. Let's go.
Nag-lunch na kami. Nag-lunch na kami.
Iyo. So, ayan. Sobrang init. Oh, baby, oh. Wow. Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Wow. Dito ka, anak. Picture tayo. Far. Wow! Look! So, ayan. Nandito kami sa ancient Egypt. Ayan. Sobrang init ngayon, guys. As in, summer na summer ang March. Ayan. Meron tayo dito. Dito kami. The Revenge of Mommy. So, let's go. Let's go, guys. Bawal ang bag. So, ayan. Dito na lang kami at lahat ay restricted si Elise. Medyo mababa pa daw. So, dito na lang kami sa lights, camera, action. Tatay! Hi! So, ito na restricted.
Roll playback. Cue the sun. Cue the waves. Cue the thunder. Cue the rain.
How about we say hello to these magnificent rappers on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Jurassic proportions in front of the second time. It's truly a moment. And just a gentle reminder, please keep your hands to yourselves. These raptors, they're dangerous predators. And we want...
So, ayan. Nandito kami sa Jurassic Park. Hands with nanay and tatay. Okay, ready na mabasa? Ready na mabasa ba? Let's go.
Elijah, sobrang hirap para sa amin ang gumala na may kasamang mga bata. Pero tinatry namin ni mami mo na gawin yung best namin para lagi kayong kasama. Kasi nga, dapat magkakasama tayo as a family. We make memories as a family because that will be a core memory na magsasabi sa'yo that we love you, we appreciate you, and we are doing our best to do our part to give you the best childhood we can give, that we are able to give. Mga memories na yon. Kasi yung alam namin ni mami mo na very important yung childhood kasi nung bata kami, that's what gives us hope and kasayahan. Yung mga core memory, nagre-retain siya hanggang ngayon. So we know na yung ginagawa namin, it has a lasting effect na knowing that you are loved, you are cared for, that we want you to be happy, we want you to understand na this is may mga struggle, kailangan magtipid, kailangan magtiyaga, pero may mga reward din na may enjoy natin.
How about 7th birthday, Elijah?
7th birthday, may message to. Yes. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat kami kay Lord na ikaw yung binigay sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin. God allowed us to have you. God extended our love. We know na may mga difficulties ka, understanding and expressing yourself. But that's okay. Because God allows us to love you more. God allows us the understanding, the love that we need to extend it to you. Sobrang thank you. Unang-una kay Lord. Unang-una kay Lord. Love you. Puchi puchi.
We love you.
Love you, puchi puchi.